at your face, I see you exhausted. No, cause your nigga be boring. Look in your eyes, it's making me nauseous. Baby girl, why you so flawless? Say what you want, you know that I'm on it. But she gon' laugh, it's me that you callin'. Show you it's different out here, you enjoy it. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. And also don't forget to leave a like and comment down below. If you haven't already, make sure that you follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok, both at Grace, M-A-G-E-R-Z, Gracemagerz. All of my social media platforms are the same, so if you know one, you know them all. Today, I'm actually going to go see if I can go to the nail salon and get my toes and my fingernails done, because on Saturday, I'm doing some sort of audition thing, and I just want to make sure that I'm looking, you know, put together and everything. You know, I got to prepare myself and everything. In actuality, I don't know where this nail salon is, so I'm gonna get onto a motorcycle and use Google Maps to try to figure that out. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. I don't want to put that in here.
She's in the Addy, hit the no Lady Gaga. Bad and bougie, Magerz. She don't want no drama. Yeah, proud of me. How you proud of me? Proud of me. How you proud of me?
Okay, so we just got to the salon. I didn't know that you had to book an appointment. If I knew that I had to book an appointment, I would have booked one. But I'm gonna start with my pedicure, and then I'm gonna go to my regular nails, and yeah.
Proud of me. How you proud of me? Niggas gonna envy me. Fly nigga, that's why they.
Yeah, I'm really liking how this place looks. It's so pretty. Chandelier, everything, the lights, mirrors. I'm a fan. And they also braid hair, do nails, facials, massages, pedicures, all of that.
They ain't got no crease. My people, I'm crying. Praying for peace. Remember them days. The hand on my chest. That floor's my bed. Niggas ain't no bread. Now all my friends dead. I ride for you, that's what they always said. Wow. Proud of me. How you proud of me? Proud of me. How you proud of me?
Okay guys, we just finished, and I gotta say, I absolutely love their service. Okay, if you guys want to come here, it is in Mtwapa. Mtwapa is in Kilifi County. It's not far from Mombasa. You actually cross a bridge, like it's right next to the bridge. You cross a bridge from Mombasa County to get here, and you're basically in Mtwapa already. But I really like their service. Very nice, very kind, very considerate, and it was good. Okay, way better than my first time. My first time I got scammed going to a nail salon. So I'm very happy. I really like the service. Like, this is genuine. Like, we didn't set up anything, nothing like that. But this is genuine. Like, I really do like what they did, and I will be back. Maybe I'll even be back to get my hair done. Who knows? Because they even do hair, guys. So we'll see.
I'm rocking these Christian Dior, so now you proud of me. Proud of me. How you proud of me? Yeah.
This is a new slushy machine, so we're gonna see. They have their ice creams.
I told all my niggas to do overtime. Nigga, I'm a foreigner. We don't got play time. Yeah, I'm a cocky little nigga, but stay on my line. Don't hit my line. That's on my decline. I'm rocking this Gucci, Fendi, Prada. I ain't gonna lie, I was catching some feelings for Emma. Yeah. Shorty a baddie, she's in the Addy, hit the no Lady Gaga. Bad and bougie, Magerz. She don't want no drama. Yeah. Proud of me. How you proud of me? Proud of me. How you proud of me? You ain't grew up.
Today has been one of my free days, and I actually took like a 3 or 4 hour nap today, which I rarely do. I rarely take naps.
Quiet. Now we play for keeps. I'm rocking these Christian Dior, so now you proud of me.
Okay, so we're back at the salon. Today is Friday, and I'm gonna get my fingernails done. I did not get it done last time because I didn't know that you had to book an appointment. So I just thought I could just walk in and get my nails done. We have to book an appointment. So I was able to get my toes done. My sister was able to get her gel nails done. But I still need to get my, I don't know if I'm gonna do acrylics or I'm gonna do gel. But I want something short. I want a short cute set, all right? But yeah, that's the nail chair. She's not here yet, but she'll be here quite soon. And then we'll get started. Outfit check.
Up with me, so how you proud of me? You ain't go through the struggle with me, so how you proud of me? When I told you to slide, you went slide with me.
Today is Saturday. My nails are done. They look very cute, very pretty. You guys always know I get pink nails. I love pink, especially a natural pink. But today I'm actually going to modeling audition. My friend actually said that I should do modeling auditions last year, but I did not do it, so I'm gonna do it this year. Hopefully, you know, we'll see. I'm not really that tall, so we'll just have to see how that goes.
You ain't go through the struggle with me.
Na maswali mengi kwani wewe ni polisi.
I'm rocking these Christian deals, so now you proud of me. Proud of me, how you proud of me? Yeah, I'm counting this milli. I don't got the time. The city too deadly. Yeah, there's too many crimes. The bullets are flying all over the town. Pray to the Lord, protect all my slime. I told all my niggas.
So we just got to Wild Waters where we're doing the little, well, I'm doing the little audition thing. So we're gonna see how this goes. Like, I'm honestly nervous. Like, I don't know. I'm a bit short, like I said, and it's more like runway, high fashion. So let's just hope that they don't look too much into my height. But we'll see, we'll see. See, I don't even know where to get in. It's not the main entrance. It's some side entrance that I've never seen in my life. But it's okay, right? It's fine, right? Everything's fine.
Shut up and be quiet. Now we play for keeps. I'm rocking these Christian deals, so now you proud of me.
I'm so lost. He said, just go straight. So I'm like, okay, let me go straight. He said, utaona wenzako. That means you're gonna see others. I don't see anybody. Like, this does not look like I'm supposed to be here. Like, where am I supposed to go? So empty. Oh my gosh.
Remember them days? The hand on my chest. The floor's my bed.
Yeah, this just made my nerves like 10 times worse because now I don't even know if I'm going to the right place. Like, and there's nobody here. I don't see anybody. It's just myself. I see nobody. I see empty chairs, bro. Oh my gosh. What is this? Hizi ni gani? Yeah. It's empty. Unless it's over there. I see a girl. Yeah. I don't know. I do not know.
I'm outside. Proud of me, how you proud of me? Proud of me, how you proud of me? You ain't grew up with me, so how you proud of me? You ain't go through the struggle with me, so how you proud of me? When I told you to slide, you went.
That's my little outfit check. I decided to wear all black. They said black or blue pants, white or black top, and heels. 6-inch heels, bro. So yeah, I didn't really have that much freedom with my outfit, but you know, it's all good. Okay, I just got finished with the auditioning and everything. Now we are actually, me and my sister, we're left by ourselves, and we're gonna go to the grocery store, and then we're gonna go get something to eat on the way back home. Yeah, so see you guys. Right now we're in Snack Attack. You already know, every single time we come to Kenya we always have to go to Snack Attack. Like, if we went to Kenya we didn't go to Snack Attack, did we really go to Kenya? No.
How you proud of me? Proud of me? How you proud of me? You ain't grew up with me, so how you...
And this is the new menu, guys. They always change it, update it, everything like that. I do really like these, but I don't know what happened to you being able to build your own. I don't know what happened. Yeah, if you want to go to Snack Attack in Nyali Center, this is their menu. Yeah, menu. They have pizzas now.
If I cut you off, then it is what it is. When I shoot my shot, guarantee that I don't miss. And niggas be hate, my money increase. This first so clean, they ain't got no crease.
Look at your face, I see you exhausted. No, cause your nigga be boring. Look in your eyes, it's making me nauseous. Baby girl, why you so flawless? Say what you want, you know that I'm on it. When she gon' laugh, it's me that you callin'. Show you it's different out here, you enjoy it. Yeah. Look at your face, I see you exhausted. No, cause your nigga be boring. Look in your eyes, it's making me nauseous. Baby girl, why you so flawless? Say what you want, you know that I'm on it. When she gon' laugh, it's me that you callin'. Show you it's different out here, you enjoy it. Yeah.